The human DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid molecules are 1.7 to 8.5 cm long when uncoiled, or about 5 cm on average. You have about 10 trillion cells in your body, and so if you stretch the DNA in all the cells out end to end, they would stretch over 744 million miles. The moon is only about 250,000 miles away, so all your DNA would stretch to the moon and back almost 1500 times. Water is of major importance to all living things. In some organisms, up to 90% of their body weight comes from water. Up to 60% of the human adult body is water. According to H. Mitchell Journal of Biological Chemistry 158, the brain and heart are composed of 73% of water, and the lungs are about 83% water. The skin contains 64% water. Muscles and kidneys are 79%, and even the bones are watery, 31%. We all know about stomach acid and how it helps us to digest the food we eat. But did you know that this acid in your stomach is so strong that it can even dissolve a metal? Stomach acid, also called gastric acid or gastric juice, is composed of hydrochloric acid HCl, potassium chloride KCl, and sodium chloride NaCl. The pH of a healthy stomach is usually 1 to 2. This low pH level of stomach fluids typically keeps it free of microbes. But at the same time, these pH levels put stomach acid in almost the same category as battery acid, which can dissolve steel. Do you know why the color of blood is red? Well, basically there are 3 types of cell in the human blood: red blood cell RBC, white blood cell WBC, and the platelets. But only the red blood cell gives the blood its characteristic color and carries oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. The necessity for security in cases of bank details, transactions, etc. has propelled the research in the field of biometrics. In biometric authentication, the input sample is compared against a sample template to identify the person. Fingerprint, palm print, iris scan, signature scan, etc. are the different biometric methods in use. Recently, there has been an increased interest in tongue prints as biometric tool. This review highlights the uniqueness of tongue prints and their advantages over other biometric methods. According to scientist and photographer Dr. Roger Clark, the resolution of the human eye is 576 megapixels. That is huge when you compare it to the 12 megapixels of an iPhone 7's camera. Blood pressure and heart rate can be decreased by listening to relaxing music. Music and healing once went hand in hand. The Chinese character for medicine includes the character for music. In the Ottoman Empire, music was used to chant medicine and soothe pain. Native Americans and Africans used singing and chanting as a part of their healing rituals. According to studies, it appears that music has beneficial effects on the reduction of SBP, DBP, and HR in a variety of clinical settings such as the pre-operative setting and the ICU. These physiological changes may be the result of or aid in the relief of patients' anxiety. Fact number 3. You take over approximately 23,000 breaths every day. Fact number 2. The surface area of your lungs is roughly the same size as a tennis court. The cornea is the transparent part of the eye that covers the front portion of the eye. It covers the pupil, iris, and the anterior chamber. The cornea's main function is to refract or bend the light. The cornea is responsible for focusing most of the light that enters the eye. But the fact about this cornea is that it is one of a few parts of the body with no blood supply. It gets its oxygen directly from the tears.